Good morning, everybody. It's Dr. Thompson. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. So here we are at the start of week 4. We're actually at the halfway mark in our course. So far, everybody is doing a great job. I'm very pleased with the assignments that you've been submitting. And let's just keep the ball rolling this week. So the main topic area for this week is professional competence. It's a really important area, so you want to give a lot of thought to it. And you'll have a chance to do that in lesson 1 this week, where you're going to, again, review a set of slides that are based on your text. I hope you've been finding them helpful. I certainly have. So you're going to review a set of slides and respond just within yourself to some self-inventory questions. The idea is to kind of get the juices flowing and getting you thinking about your own ideas about your professional identity, professional practice, and of course, professional competence. So that takes us to our discussion for this week, the week 4 discussion. And what you're going to be doing is talking about the professional organization with which you identify most. Now, this does not mean that any professional organization or discipline is any better than any of the others. Let's be clear about that. But, for various reasons, you may feel you identify a bit more with social work or with counseling or with psychology. I'm a psychologist, so naturally, I'm going to identify more with psychology as a profession. That doesn't mean it's any better or any worse than any other profession. So you want to talk some about the reasons for your own identification with a given professional organization. Now, this week in the assignment, you're going to be talking about the advantages and disadvantages of a given profession, and you're going to be making a set of PowerPoints, for us to look at as a part of this. Now, I understand that the directions are a little bit vague for the PowerPoints. There's no required length. I would just like you to add as many slides as you need to in order to address, the issues that are identified in the assignment instructions. But, it's your judgment from there. So just to give you an example, for me, as I said, I'm a psychologist, so I'm more likely to see advantages in clinical psychology. One of the advantages could be that psychologists are trained in psychological testing above and beyond what other professions would be trained in. That doesn't mean that other professionals may not use psychological testing if they've had the proper training, but it's just that psychologists are going to automatically get more of that training. So anyway, that's enough for now. I will look forward to seeing you in the week 4 discussion, and I hope you have a great week. Bye-bye now.